had to redo the gas line because the other water heaters, they were 1/2 inch, 3/4, because this water heater needs 200,000 BTUs. Okay guys, so we got everything hooked up already. The gas line going up to the water heater. We got the water lines, cold and hot. We got the insulation kit, drains for the water heater. We got everything. We just need the vents and we can be ready to go. And so guys, so here's the water heater. Here's the final results. As you can see, insulation, gas, everything pretty nice. Hot water running already.